Can you ask me about adjectives? I know that one. All right. Hey, can we hear it again for Alisa Amador? She's so amazing. And oh my God, you guys treated her so right. That was a beautiful set. We need more. So we're going to bring her back out. Alisa! One more minute. So in the meantime, let's talk more about Schoolhouse Rock. Do you guys know Polly, get your adverbs here? That's a great one. Another favorite of mine, interjections show excitement and... No, what's the other word? Interjection, so excitement and... Emotion? Emotion. You've got wow. What's another interjection? Anybody? Oh my God, you guys need to go back to school. I'm so glad we're here to help figure this out. Oh, we have some more? Okay. Alright. Let me tell you a little bit more about Alisa Amador. Let me see what's going on with Alisa Amador. 1 minute. Alright, we're bringing her out, guys. We're figuring out this technical moment on stage. Because this show's about honesty. We want you all to know what's going on. Alright, what's going on? Are you ready? God, you need your ears?
Someone told me long ago there's a couple of the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say it'll rain a sunny day. And I know, shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Ooh, oh, coming down on a sunny day. It's the day and days before the sun is cold and the rain is out, and I know been that way for all my time. On and on, so we go through the circle of fast and slow. I know it can't stop. I wonder. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yeah. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? On a sunny day. Alisa Amador,
She's awesome. This is now a great time to hydrate. I don't see very many of you hydrating. There we go. Hey, see you when I'm sleeping, God, when I wake. 'Cause when I'm all done dreaming, you fade away. When next song really captures what it means for me. A sun shower, if you have those here in Texas, right? Okay, cool, right? Sun and rain simultaneously. It's complicated, it's nuanced, there's a duality. So, this song's about a relationship I was in a few years ago that was loving and caring, but it also didn't quite feel right. It didn't feel like it was gonna last. And there was something really dramatic and beautiful about that. So I held on to the good and the bad for a bit longer. And ultimately it ended, but we, as a band, turned it into this song. It's called Let Me Hold You. Looking at a pretty view and thinking about how I love you. I love you. I'd like to stitch the sun to that section of the sky for a little while. Sometimes I get scared, I over-prepare for an outcome that I don't want. So moments like these put me at ease, remind me of all that
and let me hold you. Just let me hold you.